Solid Edge electrical wire and harness design offers time-saving reuse of your design data, presenting major benefits downstream. The new capabilities of the layout design toolbars make it fast and easy to add mounts, channels, and other hardware to your panel layout. Easily add intelligent dimensions to your layout to assist with building the panel. Associating the layout design to the schematic synchronizes the objects on the schematic to the layout design. Multiple devices can be placed on the panel to save time. And the order the devices are selected in the browser dictate how they are positioned on the screen. Another time-saving benefit is the automatic generation of the bill of material, which updates as you add devices to the layout design. The BOM IDs are easily generated, which are added to each of the devices on the panel. The terminal plan tables are automatically generated as well, documenting the terminal blocks along with their specific symbol, physical sequencing, and details of where the wires terminate at both ends of each block, automatically updating with any changes made downstream, providing accurate and up-to-date information. Solid Edge wiring design. You get your design right first time. Thanks for watching. Scan the QR code on your screen for on-demand webinars from the team here at Geometric Solutions. If you have questions, please email us at solutions@geoplm.net. Thank you.